Hello everyone, this is Anuj from gadgetgig. Today we have with us the pTron Bassbuds Eon, which is a budget true wireless earphone, and in this video we will do the unboxing and will tell you if they are worth buying. So here is the box. In the front we have the picture of the earphone and the model name Bassbuds Eon, and here we can see some key features such as immersive sound and ENC for voice calls. On this side we have more features such as you get the Bluetooth 5.3 support, 13mm driver, 30 hours of playback time, and you get the Type-C charging port. At the back we have the MRP, which is Rs 3199. However, they're available to purchase for just Rs 759 on Amazon. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have this welcome card, and here we have the warranty information and the barcode by which you can download the user manual. And then we have the earbuds, and here we have the charging case. And guys, my first impression is that the case is compact and looks good. We will look at the earbuds and the case in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the Type-C charging cable, and we get two pairs of extra ear tips of large and small size. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. pTron Bassbuds Eon is a budget true wireless earphone. Looking at the design and build quality, we have a compact design with the glossy finish on the case. But again, the quality of the case is very good and it doesn't feel cheap at all. In terms of the overview, we have the pTron branding in the front, and here at the bottom, we have the charging port. In terms of the battery, with the case, you can get up to 30 hours of playback time. Now looking at the door, the hinge quality is good and is decent, keeping in mind that it's a budget true wireless earphone. And yes, you can open the case with one hand. Now about the earbuds, we get the in-ear style earbuds, which are very lightweight and weighs only 3.6 grams each. The driver size is 13mm, and they are also IPX4 water resistant. And about the design, we have the glossy finish on the earbuds as well, and here we have the touch sensitive panel with the pTron branding. And also guys, you get the dual mic in each earbud for ENC, and this will be helpful during voice calls. So in terms of the design, they are also small in size, but the fit and finish of these earbuds is very good. Now let's pair them with our phone and we will see how they perform. So they are paired with our phone. And guys, I'm really surprised to see that we get the HD AAC codec support in these earbuds, and that is very good. Now about the performance, let me first show you the touch controls. So a single tap on either of the earbuds will pause and play music. Double tap on the right earbud will take you to the next song, and double tap on the left earbud will take you back to the previous song. You can call Google Assistant or Siri by long pressing on either of the earbuds for 2 to 3 seconds. One thing we should mention here, that we don't get the volume controls in these earphones. Now let's talk about the performance. So guys, first of all, I find these compact earbuds very comfortable to use. They are lightweight, and with the correct size ear tip, you get proper snug fit. And also, the passive noise cancellation is very good. And now about the sound output, they are bass heavy, and you get a very punchy and boomy bass from these earphones. And even though we have the extra bass, but we get good clarity and the vocals are clear, and the instrument separation is not that bad. Talking about the performance bit more, we have used these earphones for watching videos and movies, and there we didn't find any issue and the clarity was good with no lag. We have also done the lag test. As there is no gaming mode, you will see some latency in these earphones while playing games. But for casual gaming, the performance is good. Now lastly about the mic performance, the voice clarity is good and the dual mic output is actually very good. And it does cancel the background noises while you're on a call. So for voice and video calls, you will not face any issue. So overall, the pTron Bassbuds Eon true wireless earphones offers a decent design and build quality. The sound output is good, and if you like bass heavy output, then you'll be happy with the performance. The earbuds are very comfortable to use and you can easily use them for long hours. The battery backup is also decent, and you get approximately 4 hours of playback time in one single charge. And yes, with the case, you can extend it up to 30 hours. And how can we forget about the HD AAC codec support, which was a surprise for us, especially in this price segment. So in short, if you're looking for a decent performing true wireless earphones for casual usage and don't want to spend a lot, then the pTron Bassbuds Eon is a very good option. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the pTron Bassbuds Eon true wireless earphone. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about these earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.